Today, I'm going to be seeing which EAS alarms are real and which ones are fake. A lot of people have been doing this on YouTube, but I just decided I would do it, and I'm going to give you some information. Well, not really, but I'm at least going to tell you which ones are real or fake. So, let's go. Now, the channel I'm getting this video from is this channel, EAS Alarm YouTube, #SaveUkraine. So shout out to them for making all these videos. But let's start. The first alarm is Albania's alarm. Let's give it a listen. This alarm is fake. I'm pretty sure it's just a fire alarm anyway. Verdict, fake. The next alarm is Argentina.
Emergencia nacional, esto no.
I think this is fake because there's two different sirens and the voice doesn't sound right. So an EAS alarm wouldn't have two sirens, so verdict's fake. Next is Australia. This is real. They used it, and I think either an earthquake warning or a tornado warning. But this is real. Verdict real. Brazil. As scary as it is, this one is verdict real. I don't know why it sounds like that, but they used it as part of their siren system. The next one is Bulgaria. It's very loud, but verdict is real. They used this alarm only once. And if you listen close, you can hear kids screaming in the beginning. Listen. That's because it was right next to a school when they were doing this, and the kids were scared of the alarm. So if you wanted to know, that's why. The next alarm is Canada. Another loud one, but verdict real. They used this one a couple times, actually. The next alarm is in Chile. This is real. I don't know when they used this, but they definitely used it for something. The next one is China. So yes, this verdict is real. They used this as a siren, and the voice is counting down to 1 to when I guess something was going to happen. I don't know what, but they were definitely counting down, but it is real. Next is Croatia. Okay, you know what? Let me turn this up. Can you hear that? Well, if you can, it is real. It was part of their siren system. Next is Czechoslovakia. This is fake. A verdict fake. I'm pretty sure this is the USA EAS alarm, just like high-pitched. Next up is Denmark. I know, it sounds pretty weird, but it is real, and they used it on their siren one day. Now, this next one is Finland, and according to them, they used this alarm when there was emergency, like someone invading them or bombing them. Let's give it a listen. Verdict, fake. I'm pretty sure this is just a cartoon sound. The next one is France, and it says that this alarm was a nuclear alarm for France. Let's give it a listen. Verdict's fake. This is just a cuss word beep sound that you hear on TV when they cuss. The next one is Germany. So according to them, this was audio they got from a test warning in Germany. Let's give it a listen. This one is real. Even though it's kind of scary, it is real though. Verdict, real. The next one is Greece. Verdict's fake. I'm pretty sure this is just a Call of Duty technical nuke incoming alert, but it's just like distorted and messed with, so yeah, nice try. If you want part 2, then hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Let's go.